Late. Late. Okay, game. Kilala na. Good. Start! Okay, on the left side, go bow on the move. 2-0. Palong-palong ang mata. Uli. Carlos, no way, sabi niya. Inside century. Fading! Oh! Celtics. Fading. And waiting. So power the move. Inside, boy, what a spin. No. Inside to Vargas. To Serpolo. Inside of the move. Stolen again. Man again. And pull up. Dale. No. Serpolo on the move. Spins. Oh. Oh. Inside Galliano. No. Hidalgo on the move. Oy. Trying to catch. Save ball. All two. Eh, maganda. Depensahan. Marmar, Malamar. Celtics, oh! Stolen ni Pagkailan, Pau-Pau, on the move. Sa pakatulan, inside, no fear. 4-2. Sabi ni Pau-Pau, stop me. Matakyan din. Tumatakbo yan araw-araw. Ng 3 oras. Save ball. 2-4. Hold down. Marmar Antonio. On the left side, Hidalgo. Faking. No. Lester on the move. Boy in speed. Creates. Lester. Rocky. Dadyawan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng sisputar, ha? Oy! Oh! Umapit. Oh! Galeriano, no! Marmar on the move. Penetrate. Pull up day. Go! 2 points para kay Marmar. Grabe naman sa step up kay Mar. Uy ka, sabi ni Mar, hindi ka pwede sa akin. Antonio on the move. Pass kay Ken. Good roll para sa dalawang guardia. Lester to Vargas. Vargas on the move inside. Vargas trying to look for the open man. Lester takes on 3. No, still finding his shot. Save ball. Pangilinan on the move. Back to Serpol. Serpol. Pull up. No. Traffic opportunity para again. Ken on the move. Traveling, wrong ladder. Good job, good job. Pau-Pau on the move, 6-4. Oy, jacket, inside, no. Screen, inside, oh! Wow, 2 shots. Palong-palo, ah. Ganado. Eh, kalaro ka eh. Pau-Pau? No! Second shot, pag-sumot, change court, ha? Pag-sumot. No, good! Change court, dito na. Six-4. Ilan Lester po lang? Sa inyo ba? Sa inyo pala. Okay. 4-6. Inside. Oh, Serpol. Inside. All 6. Manakit. Marmar on the move. Take it. Yes, sir. 3. What a move. 8-9. Bakas. Did you see that? Move. No! Lagi ulit. Wala. Reyes Cordarina. Boy, stepping on the line. Same boy. Score natin. 8-9. Fast break opportunity to Antonio Parmar. On the move. Maharap na gawin mo. To Reyes. Reyes! No! Genoa back to Antonio. Faking. No. Trying to do the hesitation. Inside. Uy, dinay. Pinay ulit again. Lagi again. Again on the move. Faking. Oh, step through. No. Servo on the move to Pau. Muntik na. On the move. Oh. Yes, sir. 10-9. Ganda na challenge, ha? Last 3 minutes in the game. To Genoa atake. No. Servo on the move. Therefore, ang gagawin mo, uy, change your lane. Bakas, stolen, Marmar. Marmar, wala, galing. Marmar, Get on the move. Trying to do the step back. Hey, inside. 3 seconds. Last 2 minutes and 13 seconds in the game. Pau on the move. Pau ang gagawin mo. Inside to the left side. Fake. Pula. Yes, sir. Paul Benavides. The signature move. 12-9. Hey, again. On the move, you won. Foul. Counted. You won it. 11-12 seconds. Very good again. Again for the bonus. Connects. All 12. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Pau on the move. Wala. Lester. Ang bulag doon. To Pau. No. Wala pa rin. Wow. Depends on how it backward. Last 1 minute and 13 seconds. Gallardo to Lester. You know, roll. Gallardo, inside to Pau. No, to Servo. Ganda na pasa naman ni Pau. 14-12. Last 50 seconds. Genoa on the move. Genoa slicing. No. Last 35 seconds. 12-14, 12-14. Kaya huli! Pau on the move! So next, lamang ng 4, 16-12. Sipag, no? Last 15 seconds. 4 na lamang kayo, ha? Nag-apol kayo. Last 8 seconds. Reyes. Celtics, dali! 2, 1, game on. 16-12. Panalo sila. Pau.